Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the phone ready. Update iOS and connect a reliable charger, because standby activates only when charging and placed on its side. Once connected, go to Settings, find Standby, and turn it on. Make sure clock and widget presets match how you want information displayed. This step matters because it creates the standby canvas quickly, so set it now, and prepare the phone physically in landscape orientation to trigger the mode. Once done with basic activation, customize what appears. Tap Customize to add clocks, widgets, and smart stacks. Place frequently used info near the center so it's readable across distances. Make sure to configure notification behavior and focus rules so alerts don't overwhelm the screen. This keeps standby useful at a glance. Also, adjust rotate and auto brightness preferences. That ensures content stays oriented and legible whether you're on a charger, MagSafe stand, or flat on a bedside table. To finish, practice using Standby. Tap widgets to open apps, use Siri to add reminders, or press the side button to temporarily wake the regular home screen. Once you're comfortable, place the phone where the display faces you and leave it charging. Standby then becomes a glanceable home hub. If it doesn't work, make sure the cable or charger is secure, the phone is in landscape, and the standby toggle remains on. These checks fix most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.